Hello students. The question says a random variable x is normally distributed with mean value is 5 and standard deviation is 25. The random variable y is defined as y is equal to 2 plus 4x. What's the mean and standard deviation for y? So to answer this question, we'll first write y equals to 2 plus 4x. So first we'll find the expected value of y, which is same as finding the mean of y. So that is equals to expected value for 2 plus 4 times the expected value for x. So as we said that the expected value of x is nothing but the mean for x, which is given as 5. So that means we have to write the expected value for a constant 2 is 2 itself plus 4 into the mean value for x, which is 5. So the expected value or the mean for this particular y is 22. So if we look into the options, so we have option C, D, and E, where the mean is same as 22. So the correct option should be from C, D, and E. A and B are incorrect in that case. Now, moving on to calculate the standard deviation which they have given, that the value of sigma is equals to 25. So we'll first calculate the variance, which is sigma squared, which is 25 squared, which is equals to 625. So to calculate the standard deviation for y, we first need to calculate the variance of y. So if we are calculating the variance of y, so that becomes variance of 2, which is a constant number, plus variance of 4x. Now, variance of 2 being a constant is 0. So if I'm calculating for the variance of y, so that becomes 4 square times into variance of x. So we have used the formula over here. That means if we are writing variance of any a into x, so that should be a square times variance of x. So we have used this particular formula in this sum. Since the variance of constant is 0 and the value of a is 4, so that becomes 16 times the variance of x. And the variance of x that we have found out is 625. So this value for variance of y becomes 10,000. So if now I am calculating the standard deviation for y, so that should be equal to under root variance of y. So which should be equal to under root of 10,000. So the value that we got is 100. So if we look into the options, so mean 22 and the standard deviation is 100. So option D will be our correct option. Thank you, students.